Hi Big Tractor Power fans, this video comes to you from a Western Kentucky double crop soybean field where a John Deere 8400 tractor and Kinze 640 grain cart are keeping the harvest moving along. This tractor and cart are keeping up with a pair of John Deere S-Series combines that are harvesting the second crop of soybeans that were planted in this field directly after the wheat was harvested from it back in June. The harvesting team includes a Class 8 473 horsepower, 400 bushel John Deere S680 combine equipped with a 40-foot wide draper head. The second machine is a Class 6 239 horsepower, 300 bushel John Deere S660 combine equipped with a 36-foot wide draper head. The 8400 was the top-end model in the new 8000 series of tractors introduced by John Deere for model year 1995. This range of tractors included machines from 160 PTO horsepower all the way up to 225 PTO horsepower. The 8000 series of tractors introduced an entirely new design and styling for the high horsepower row crop range from the company. These new machines featured a front-forward design for the engine compartment and a large square cab. Previously, the company had offered the SoundGuard series of tractors with a much more rounded look and design that was introduced back in 1973 and ran all the way through 1994. The new look for the 8000 series, introduced back in 1995, continues to influence the design and styling of the modern John Deere 8R series tractors. The 8400 was manufactured by John Deere at its Waterloo, Iowa tractor factory from 1995 through 1999. It's equipped with an 8.1-liter, 496 cubic inch John Deere engine rated at 225 PTO horsepower. It features a John Deere full power shift transmission with 16 forward and 4 reverse speeds. It's fitted with a 135-gallon diesel fuel tank and weighed in from the factory at 18,500 pounds and can be field weighted up to 29,600 pounds. The 640 grain cart was manufactured by Kinze of Williamsburg, Iowa from 1996 through 2003. It holds 600 bushels of grain, and when it's working out in the field with a combine that's unloading on the go, it can be heaped up with 740 bushels of grain. Now that we know a little bit more about this grain hauling equipment, let's climb up in the cab of the John Deere 8400 to see the operator's perspective of running out in the field with these big combines. I'm up in the cab of the John Deere 8400, and this tractor is the original John Deere tractor with the buddy seat or instructor seat area, which is where I'm sitting now. But this was the advancement from the SoundGuard cab, and you can see it was big, roomy, square. It gives the operator a lot of space to work with all the controls, and then they also have a rider with plenty of room on the side. Get a view of the Kinze 640 cart in tow behind the tractor. Carts are not powered, they just roll along like a wagon back there. And the only power is the PTO that unloads it, which is connected right there.
young corn was hard to keep up going. Especially the new combine we got. It was full right when the time I'm still loading, it's full.
Is he running a 12 row on that one or 8?
Those still 8 roll.
Okay.
8 roll.
Absolutely, every day counts. Rain, especially now with rain and snow coming down on them.
Yeah. It takes forever too for it to dry out.
Looks like some healthy beans out there.
Oh yeah. Actually, I'll probably do loads out of here. Yesterday and today, so far. I don't know if we'll get this stuff done today or though or not, really. Probably.
In this next segment, you will be able to see the field view as well as the operator's perspective simultaneously as the John Deere 8400 tractor and Kinze 640 grain cart pull up to the waiting trucks and transfer the soybeans from the cart into the semi-trailer. The tractor is headed up here to the trucks to unload some more soybeans. Mack truck fans, it looks like we're going to be dumping into a classic R Mack here, which is pretty cool. Operator will just flip the switch here and turn on the PTO and then throttle up. I hope that you've enjoyed spending some time out in this Western Kentucky soybean field with the John Deere 8400 tractor and Kinze 640 grain cart. It's always exciting to find these good-looking classics still hard at work out in the field. And if you'd like to see more videos like this one, consider subscribing to Big Tractor Power YouTube, where there's over 1,000 videos of farm machines in action. Make sure to click on the notifications bell as well so you'll know when the next Big Tractor Power video is released. New videos are coming out almost every day from the channel. If you have any questions or thoughts about this video, please leave them in the comment section below as I try to respond to every post that is made. If you would like to get a preview of what is coming up next on Big Tractor Power YouTube, make sure to check out Big Tractor Power Instagram, where I share pictures and short video clips of what is currently being filmed in the field. As always, thank you for watching.